Leora, push the gas.
Go.
Leora, push the gas. Go, girl, go.
Go fast.
Keep going.
Wait up.
Push the gas.
Let me get in there. Let me get in there.
Push the gas, Lele.
That's how I put.
Push the gas.
I'm gonna get. Now I can. We're gonna settle up. Go. Go. You go. Go faster.
Go. Hold down the gas. Woo!
Go, dear, go.
Push.
Let's go. Well, you can get it.
Good job. Good job.
Steer. Use the steering wheel, you guys. You're going to hit the house. Turn.
Turn the steering wheel to the left. Twist it.
You can't do it.
There you go. I know. It's hard to turn that here. I'll give you just a little assistance. All right, ready? Okay, now push the pedal, Lele, or Fletcher, whoever's driving.
They're taking
Push it.
turns. You need a helmet?
Hold on, Lele.
Woo!
Nobody's holding on.
And nobody's steering.
Nobody's steering. Go, Fletcher, go. Do it.
But we have to go that way.
Turn the wheel then.
Turn the wheel.
Other way.
Oh, buddy, here, let me help you. Driver's ed here.
We're going.
Now push.
Let's go. Let's go, dear. Let's go.
Whiplash.
Look at the dog on the back. Lele's holding on to baby, and the dog's in the back.
No one's steering.
We have to go that way.
Well, hold on. Try one more time. I'm going to make it go a little bit faster. Okay, now push the pedal.
No, we gotta go
Okay,
that way.
we'll do it. Just practice one time going faster. Go.
Go.
Push.
No, we gotta go that way.
Or,
You will go that way eventually.
now, okay, go that way. It's a little faster. Ready, go. Hang on the baby tight.